Thutha wa thirikari gwikirira mubango wa mwanya wa mathomo thukuru-ini cia kothi cia moko niguo competence based education training CBET, riu thukuru nyingi ni ciambiriirie kuhimbiria uthuthuria na uthunduri. Thukuru wa KIAMBU National Polytechnic KINAP ugikorwo muhari-ini wa mbere hari uthunduri, ta uria murugamiriri munene wa uthuthuria na uthunduri Peter Kirui aratariria.
The government needs to do is to do what we call capacity building. So capacity building in TVET, if you compare the research space in TVET and in the universities, you will see there is some bit of difference. But then the government can come in and be able to bridge that gap so that the TVET sector is able to be capacity built. This will actually promote so many people doing research.
Kuringana na Kirui, mari mihango-ini ya kurikiriria uthondeki wa indo itiganite kumana na mbegu cia makorobia ari hamwe na njohi.
Our youth are very innovative. First, I will say that we are very proud because even in the just concluded Nairobi region, KATI Nairobi region TVET fairs, we really matched the overall winners. We really took a lot of medals, a lot of trophies, courtesy of their innovativeness and creativity. Yes, indeed, when it comes to the innovation space, there is that the innovation aspect, then there is what you normally call prototyping, and then from there we normally have now what you normally call technology transfer or commercialization.
Ona gukiri uguo ni maikitie RITANA kuri thirikari gukorwo ikiongerera kigina kia uthuthuria na uthunduri thukuru-ini cia TVET uria ugathiririo ni munini wa mwalimu munene thukuru-ini ucio Faith Gitau.
We need to see ourselves doing things now differently. We need to see the knowledge we have influencing our behavior. When Dr. Nyamo was talking about usage of e-library, and I felt like really there is a place we need to improve. And every other paper that has been presented here, those papers had the recommendations. I will call upon us to follow up on those recommendations. Let us see what we can do in line with recommendations. And if we are able to do that, then we will make KINAP a better place. We will steer knowledge acquisition in KINAP to a higher level.
Mwena-ini wake abithaa kuma ministry ya githomo guku bururi-ini ruhonge-ini rwa TVET Dina Changamu ni atariirie itanya ria thirikari hari kuhura njeki TVET ciothe guku bururi-ini niguo kuhimbiria uthuthuria na uthunduri.
As a state department of TVET, we are trying to implement gleaning in our TVET institution, try to demystify what gleaning is all about, because many times many people think that gleaning is just planting trees, but we want to say that gleaning goes beyond the planting of trees. We are doing integrating gleaning and sustainability practices into the curriculum.
Ngiguithiraniria maria marahanika kaunti-ini ya KIAMBU, ritwa riakwa ni NJAU ya kinuthia.